In this video, I will show you how to put text and caption to your video in Snapchat. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your camera mode. For that, click on here to open up the slider. Then go ahead and navigate to director mode. The next thing you want to do right here is to record your video. For that, go ahead and simply tap on here. After pause the recording, click on preview right here. The next thing you want to do is to select your recording. So you start recording your video in these sections right here. Now, once you tap on preview, it takes you to the environment right here. For you to add auto captions to your video and put text to your video, all you have to do is to drag and slide this way. Then until you get to auto caption right here. So go ahead and click on this. Recording your video in this. And then successfully auto caption generated successful. Then you have your caption right here. So you can drag the caption to fit the length of the video just like so. Now you have it right here. When you talk, it automatically display over the screen. You can as well reposition the caption. You can decide to take it to the top of the video right here. Now if I play the video now, you'll find the auto caption. So let's play the video. So you start recording your video in these sections right here. You can record as much as possible the minutes of the video you want to record. You can as well record both front and back end of the camera. If you want to switch to back end of the camera, just tap on this particular icon right here, which allows you to rotate your camera. If I switch now, then you see that it's going to take me to the back. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Snapchat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.